Cucumber plants, when they reach a height of about 2 to 3 feet or even larger, require specific care to ensure optimal growth and yield. One essential practice involves cutting or pinching the top of the main stem, similar to what is done with pepper plants. This action signals to the other shoots of the plant to accelerate their growth. Within a few days, instead of just one main stem, there will be multiple shoots, more flowers, and ultimately, more fruit. This simple technique can significantly increase the productivity of a cucumber plants. Additionally, another crucial step in caring for cucumber plants at this stage is the application of a special dressing. The dressing offers several benefits to cucumber plants. Firstly, it serves as a source of essential nutrients, including nitrogen, which is crucial for plant growth and development. Nitrogen promotes the formation of lush green foliage, enhancing the plant's ability to photosynthesize and produce energy. Additionally, the presence of this dressing contributes to the overall health of the plants by stimulating root development and improving nutrient uptake. As a result, cucumber plants treated with this dressing exhibit increased vigor, resilience to environmental stresses, and ultimately higher yields of quality fruits. This dressing, made with yeast, offers numerous benefits to the plants without mentioning its name explicitly. To prepare the dressing, warm water is first placed in a suitable container, which could be a jar or a 5-gallon bucket, depending on the quantity needed. Yeast and sugar are then added to the warm water, about 10 litres of water and 20 grams yeast and a handful of sugar. The sugar serves as nourishment for the fungus present in the yeast. After mixing the ingredients, the mixture is left to sit for a short period, typically 1 to 2 hours, ensuring it is not left too long. Once ready, this yeast dressing is applied to the cucumber plants, providing them with essential nutrients and fostering healthy growth. Immediately water the vegetables in the garden with this solution. It's important not to let the solution stand too long, but to use it immediately. Then, prepare new quantities of this fertilizer as needed. Remember, yeast alone will not do anything. At the start of season, always add compost or manure to your soil. Check our channel for tons of different fertilizers. If you're enjoying these tips, don't forget to hit subscribe and the notification bell for more. Your support means the world to us.